Hi friend! Ayan, let's prepare for lunch. Chop suey tayo today. Ayan. Dahil nakabili tayo ng cauliflower, kaya tayo kailangan mag-chop suey.
Hey, I'm Carmina Constantino. Dateline Philippines begins right now. Alright, as we begin on your noontime news mix, we're now going to go to our correspondent Warren de Guzman. He's going to report on how Philippine inflation has eased slightly in August. The government sees more price increases in the coming months. Our very own Warren de Guzman now joins us with more on that. Warren.
Tanggal muna natin yung
Hello, Carmina. Yes, all of a sudden we slight increase from inflation as we had that number eased to 6.3% and 6.4% the month before. The biggest contributors to the deceleration were gasoline, diesel, fish, and meat. National Statistician Undersecretary Dennis Mata says government programs.
Kumusta friend? How's your day? Anong niluluto mo for lunch? Ayan. Katapos lang natin mag-housework. Nagplansya tayo ng damit ni Papsi for the week. So then, hatiin natin siya. Siyempre, the best pa rin to prepare yung ating food at home. So dati, pagka nagpa-plansya tayo, hindi lang tayong lutong ulam. But this week, nakabili tayo ng cauliflower. Ito nga po yung cauliflower natin. Gold yata ito. Wala tayong mahanap last week dito sa Bulacan. Sa ibang market natin siya nabili. Puro ng ating knife. Bumili nga pala sa tin ng knife. Pati tayo ng ginamit natin. Paps, sira-sira yung nabili mong ano. Wagyu beans. Then, balatan natin ang carrots natin.
Prices have increased or rents have increased by as much as 500 pesos compared to previous rent. A lot of them also are
Kumusta ang araw niyo po? Stay safe po pa rin tayo. Wear our face mask. Although meron ng Cebu City, ayaw na nilang or optional bang term yan. Hindi na sila required to wear their face mask. Kaya lang parang at your own risk, parang hindi naman yata responsible yung ganung stand. Bahala na tayo sa sarili natin. Dapat ano ba talaga yung dapat natin gawin, hindi yung give you optional. Wash lang po natin to, sandali lang po.
Again, looking at NCR, inflation rate here in the capital, 5.7% of all that's lower than the national average, but it's faster.
May ingay po kasi we're watching the noon news. House po tayo ngayon. Si Papsi nasa office, man complain niya. Kain-kain din ng carrots. Laging available. Julian yata ang tawag dyan. We're tasting our carrots. Tapos niya yata yung ano, iPhone Henry, normal na ulit tayo. And our cauliflower. Tanggalin natin
inflation expectations at its next rate setting
yung kanyang ano, this,
The National Economic Development
banggit na buti nga, hindi na siya malaki.
on subsidy
Hindi yung ano malaki, yung
supply to fight domestic inflation. Social economic
ano natin.
recovery is uneven within countries and across
Meron din tayong broccoli
countries.
binili.
Inefficient supply chain. This is expected to be temporary as markets transition to find the new balance between supply and demand. The situation is made worse by the protracted Russia-Ukraine war and the country's weather disturbances, particularly La Nina.
Sana magustuhan ni Papsi ang ating
Agriculture sector, which needs to be supported in
chop suey. Yan, lalagay natin chicken. Nung last time, nilagay natin is shrimp. Yan, babad natin yan sa water. Then, yan. This is avocado. Ang galing na ano natin din. So, yan yung binili natin kasi baka hindi natin maubos. Slice natin yan. Kung wala tayong sayote pa lang, hindi tayo nakapagpabili kahit isang piraso.
A couple of things, Warren. First of all, what are the tools available to tame the situation? As you said, inflation eased, but there are indications there that it's going to remain elevated.
And we don't discuss sa YouTube channel natin ng news, pero nanonood naman tayo. Kasi para positive vibes lang tayo. So ito, lalagyan natin ng water, saka yung ating, ayan, ganyan lang kakunti yung ating ano. So gagamit din tayo ng sibuyas, panggisa. And gagamit din tayo ng Knorr chicken cubes. Ayan. Kahit na may chicken, lalagyan pa rin natin para masarap yung lasa. And garlic salt, lagyan din natin. Sana magkaroon ulit tayo ng pasalubong. Dadating na si my Tita Leonie from the US. Dadating na siya sa January. Sana. Yan, wash din natin muna bago natin slice.
The CSA noted that the importation of fish, in particular the lumbo, that cut out a bit, and fish inflation, the slowdown in fish inflation was actually a big contributor to the slowdown in overall inflation, headline inflation.
Yan, sana bumaba ang sugar natin kasi gulay tayo ngayon. Kat baka yung ano, strawberry and grapes, kaya tayo tumaas ang sugar, tsaka spaghetti yata. So ngayon gulay sana bumaba. Pag-test natin. Yan. So yung ano, bawang doon na natin sa Dirty Kitchen i-slice kasi mahirap dito baka maano. So bakit pwede rin natin, ito yung bawang natin. Pwede rin natin siguro dito na i-smash ang ating bawang. Hindi mo siguro masisira ang aking table. Hindi tayo mapapagalitan. Fuel price rollbacks, and that actually contributed to the slowdown in inflation in August. Kasi para mabilis natin ano, ganyan na. Smash ba yan? Tapos we will slice. Doon ko sa Dirty Kitchen ginagawa yun kasi baka ano ang ating table.
They're talking about the sugar importation controversy right there. Just about an hour ago, they talked about whether the shortage in sugar is
Baka mabasag na yung salamin ng ano natin, table. Yun na lang natin gagawin sa Dirty Kitchen. Itutuloy ang ating, baka mas ang ating table. Hindi lang yung bawang. Ayan. Ang ating sibuyas and bawang. Yan. We will, yan. Bababad natin sa water ang ating cauliflower and repolyo. Yan, chop suey tayo today. Hugasan din natin ng chicken at saka lalagyan natin ng chicken cubes. See you on our next video.